Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share one very healthy recipe. I'm going to use Rajma and I'm going to make Rajma Pulao. But I'm not going to use any rice. So let me go ahead and prepare this super healthy dish. For this recipe, I'll use cauliflower. I will make cauliflower rice out of this cauliflower. I will use few florets from here. To make cauliflower rice, you can grate in the grater or you can use chopper as well. Look at the grated cauliflower, it looks like rice grains. If you use chopper, it's easier to make this cauliflower rice. So my cauliflower rice is ready now. To prepare this Rajma Pulao, I will use ghee. You can use oil as well. Once the ghee gets melted, I'll add 2 bay leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamoms and 4 cloves. Once it releases the flavor, I will add 1 chopped onion. Fry the onion in medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes till it changes the color. Once it starts becoming a little bit brownish, add 1 chopped tomato. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of pulao masala powder. Now mix everything together, cover and cook in low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove the lid. Now the tomato and onion became soft, looks like a pulp. Now the masala is ready. Now time to add my cauliflower rice. Mix the cauliflower rice with the masala. Give it a good mix. After mixing, I'll cover and cook in medium heat. So the cauliflower becomes a bit soft, not soggy. Here I'll cook only for 4 to 5 minutes. If I cover and cook for too long, the texture will get changed of the cauliflower rice. Now my cauliflower rice is cooked but didn't lose the texture. Now time to add the Rajma. After adding Rajma, mix everything nicely. Rajma is already cooked. Now time to add few green chilies. I'll mix everything together. Cover and cook in medium heat only for 3 to 4 minutes. Main thing, not to overcook this cauliflower rice to maintain the texture. So my Rajma Pulao is ready. Now time to garnish. Garnish with some fresh chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix again. So my Rajma Pulao is ready. So my super healthy Rajma Pulao is totally ready. If you would like to avoid carbohydrate, you can replace rice and use this cauliflower rice. You will not see that much difference while eating and you can enjoy a super healthy and yummy dish. So you are getting good amount of protein as well. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots more healthy recipes will come to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.